こんにちは、あすか先生です。Today I'm talking about そうです。Have you ever heard this phrase, そうです? There are two ways to use this word, そうです. The first one is mention your impression. Sorry, a bit small letters, okay? So the impression is you see something and you feel the impression from the appearance. So we use with e adjective minus e, like 面白い is interesting. 面白そうです. It means it looks interesting. Okay? And the na adjective minus na. So, for example, 元気な is na adjective. 元気そうです means he or she looks healthy or energetic. Okay? And then we also use with verb mas form minus mas, delete mas. And then, for example, 泣きそうです。泣きます is cry. And then 泣きそうです。She or he looks almost cry. Yes. So that's the impression. And then another one is mention information heard from someone. And then we use sentence as a plain form. Yes. If you don't know plain form, please find my video somewhere. Okay. So plain form with そうです. Okay. So plain form, for example, in the verb, we use dictionary form to mention present tense kind of things. Okay. E adjective is just e adjective, no adjective with that. Okay. So let's practice. このケーキは this cake. If you want to mention impression and then say looks delicious. How to say? Delicious is おいしい. So you delete e. おいしそうです。おいしそうです means this cake looks delicious. Alright? And then number 2, information heard from someone. You want to say this cake is delicious. I heard the information or I read somewhere that this cake is delicious. This is the information you heard or get somewhere. Okay? このケーキはおいしい is e adjective. So おいしいそうです。このケーキはおいしいそうです means I heard or I got information somewhere that this cake is delicious. And then this おいしい is plain form. Okay, this is plain form. Alright? So today I'm talking about two ways to use そうです. One is showing impression. Okay? So we don't use e adjectives e. Okay? And the link to the そうです. おいしそうです means looks delicious. And then number 2, information heard from somewhere. Okay? I heard this cake is delicious. このケーキはおいしいそうです。Alright? さよなら